Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, we're going to exploring the new number blocks from 201 to 299 part 2, which is 204 to 206. What is 203 plus 1? That's right, it's the first number in this video is 204. Alright, let's count by 50s. 1 lot of 50 is 50. 2 lots of 50s are 100. 3 lots of 50s are 150. And 4 lots of 50s are 2. Alright, we got 200. And then we have 4 green blocks because 200 plus 4 is 204. But 204 you can make as 12 by 17 rectangle formation. But I can't make it because the camera cannot catch the 17 blocks tall. That's why I put like this. So you can make other shape that you love. Let's attach 204 face. We need 2 eyes. 1 for his left eye and 1 for his right eye. Well, do you notice that 204 is an alien? Yes, 204 is made out of 4 lots of 51s. And 51 is an alien. You know why 51 is an alien? Because it contacts with the Saturn or yes, do you know why do I give the example of the Saturn? Because the Saturn has the diameter about 51 kilometers. And the 51 is an alien because the Saturn is in the space. That's why number blocks which can be divided by 51s are alien, except from 233 or 500. Yeah, because Saturn is in the space and the number and the people or everything which is in the space and don't know where they come are aliens. That's why I create 51 as an aliens. And except from 233 or 550. Or we can call 557. Well, anyways, I build like this. And don't forget his green mouth. He has green features. This is because he is made out of 200 plus 4. And also 204 is made of 12 17s or 451s. Like this. You can build 12 by 17, but I can't catch. I like the tall rectangle. I don't like the rectangles has the bigger wide than the tall. I love the tall taller than the wide. There's like 12 or 18 and numbers which can make rectangles. Oh wait, I have a special accessory for the numbers which can divide by 51 or 233 or 557s. If the numbers which are aliens should have this, the color plate. This is too easy to make the numbers which are the painters can paint by using this without paint colors or watercolor paint. Alright, here's the numbering 204. It's a bit long, so don't mind me because it's a bit clumsy sometimes. Alright, here's our finish, 204. Let's build 205. 205 has 200 light orange alternative orange blocks, but I have like alternative orange blocks, so I use the peach block instead. And including 5 light blue blocks. Right, let's count by 100 to make it easier. 100. 2 lots of 100s are 200. let's attach it at attach like this, and then we need 5 light blue blocks. Here are 5 light blue blocks, and then we put it at the corner like that. Alright, let's attach the face sticker all together. Alright, at first we attach her eyebrows. She has 2 eyebrows, and 205, did you notice that she has the 5 enders? Yes, she ends with the number 5. Did you notice that she can divide it by 5? You're right, kids. She can divide it by 5, which is, what is 205 divided by 5? You're right, it's 41. 41 is the 13th member of the Unlucky Club. But I create her as a tail because I want to make it prettier and cooler. Like this. First, we do like this first, and she has the star-shaped eye because to represent 5. Because we have 5 little blocks in 205 blocks. But also, we can say that she can divide it by 5. 205 divided by 5 is 41. And don't forget her tail. I put it at the side. Oh my gosh. It looks so... I don't know, what do I call? Anyways, let's attach her numbering. Where do I attach? There. Number block 205, which has 5 41s. Alright, here's our number block 205. Let's go to the last character is 206. Last but not least, we're going to build is 206. 206 has 200 light orange blocks or orange tone blocks and 6 dark indigo blocks. Right, let's count by 100. 100. And what is 100 plus 100? Yes, it's 200, you know? Alright, we put it like this. I want to put like this, but my camera can't catch 20 blocks tall. Anyways, let's attach 6 indigo blocks more to make 206. Like this. So, here's our number block, 206. And then we also attach her face sticker. Well, 206, if we divide it by 2, you got 103. And 103 is the 27th member of the Prime Club. Which means, you see, the 27 is a superhero in the official number blocks, right? So, that's why I put the number block 206 is a superhero too. Notice, the numbers which can be divided by 27s, 103s are the superhero. And we need her mouth. And then we also attach her eyebrows. So we got 2 eyebrows. And then we attach like this. And then one of her right eyebrow. Like this. So we got 206. And let's attach the number link 206. Well, this is the end of today's video. Which character do you like the most? 204, 205, or 206? Please leave the comments. Well, and this is all of the characters in today's video. So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my new videos. So see you soon. Bye bye.